let's build a shelter.
Get some reading done.
Eat crab leg. I've recommitted. Welcome back everybody to the 44 Explorer YouTube channel. Me and Lo are out here camping. We're the first ones to set up because we're not the only ones here today. We are on a church mission. We got everybody from our youth group called The Corner coming out. It's actually a young adults group called The Corner coming out. We're gonna go camping for today's Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So stick with it. We got a 72-hour shelter challenge. Look at that, guys. The shelter's already up. Kind of like a lean-to situation slash teepee, but that's not the challenge today, guys. There is no actual challenge for today's video. We're simply having fun, celebrating Jesus out here in the woods with all of our brothers and sisters. So that's what we're doing today, guys. And yeah, hope you enjoy this video. 72-hour church camping mission. All right, guys, I built a retaining wall on the other side of the shelter. I'll show that to you in a minute. Currently digging out the shelter. It's pretty necessary, and yeah, we'll see what happens. You're working hard. You wanna come be roommates?
Maybe.
What you got there?
My sleeping stuff.
Is that like a mattress? The tan
It's
thing.
a bag. It's actually a construction garbage, like bag.
That's cool.
But that's gonna be what I'm.
All right, guys, time check. Looking at 5:19. We've been here for about 2 hours. Here's the retaining wall I built on the back side. What's up, Andrew?
What's up?
Say what's up.
What's up? I'm trying to find a good hammock spot.
Dude, let's be neighbors.
Let's do it. That's why I saw you over there. I was like,
Since I used both my tarps as the roof, I'm getting some lush greens. I'm gonna make a little mattress, put my sleeping pad over it, dig these holes out, make the door, and call it good. Guys, it's been another hour and we finished the shelter. So, I got a tent spike, latched the doors together, a little opening here. As you can see, I got that bed underneath the sleeping pad, 2 sleeping bags and a comforter, building a retaining wall with dirt on the outside. Same thing out here. Patched a pretty big hole right here. And we're just out here finishing. Oh, the light's still on. We are putting the final touches on. Then it's been a grind, but it's a beautiful shelter and I'm excited to sleep in it for the next 2 nights. So any words of encouragement?
No, but it's gonna be chilly.
Yeah, it's supposed to get below freezing tonight, so we're all set.
I'm cold
Bam.
now.
Yeah, that's perfect.
I can't do that, man. I don't have the confidence for that. Hey, there's Ajay.
oh yeah. What up, Ajay?
As of this year, yeah.
Michael the fireman,
Because I used to
as
just
always.
be like insecure.
Take me home, country road. Memories gather round her. My new lady, stranger to water. In dusty, days on the sky. empty graves, and treasures the things that never enough. You came along and put me back together, and every desire is now satisfied here in your love.
A bit of an opening. Alright. Hey everyone.
Hi, Ethan.
It's so good to see so many new and old faces here. This is honestly such a treat. You haven't met me yet. My name is Ethan, or Alan. That's actually I have a lot of nicknames apparently now, so feel free to use whichever you prefer. But if we haven't met yet, let's meet this weekend. I'd like to get to know all of you the best I can. But anyways, I'm gonna get started by giving just a little bit of my testimony, and then a little bit of a moment that I truly felt God in my life. I had this written down, but we're just gonna wing it here because I feel better about that. Anyways, so most of my life I lived as, I guess we could consider, a lukewarm Christian. My dad is a non-believer, and my mom is probably about as lukewarm as it gets. She kind of believes there's a God, went to church when she was younger, but not much more than that. So I was kind of raised in these conflicting views, and kind of obviously there's a huge influence from our parents on how we live. So that kind of influence had me in a weird place. As I started getting through high school, high school's tough years. I started running into a lot of mental things. I was getting a bit depression, anxiety, a lot of just not good things, and it was difficult. It was bringing me down, and we tried to fix it with, counseling, therapy, all the worldly ideas of fixing things, which aren't bad, but obviously there's only one real solution to the problems you may have. And it took me a while to realize that, and that's, I think, one of the biggest things I'm coming across. But moving on, I didn't know what I wanted to do after high school, so it's like, oh, let's go to Flagstaff. I got mountains, I can ski, I can mountain bike, I can do all the things I love, and that was like my only thought. And throughout that time in high school, I had also started picking up my Bible more and getting more curious about everything. And as I was getting closer to getting ready to move, I said in my head one day, I'm like, okay, I've never been really a part of a church or any kind of body, communal, that kind of thing. When I move to Flagstaff, I'm gonna find something.
Yeah.
And I didn't even know where to start, what to look for, or that kind of thing. I'm like, okay, I'll do this. I moved to Flagstaff. Awesome place. I love it here so much. And right off the bat, I get invited to the corner. Like, oh, bunch of college kids who love God. This is my kind of place. Go check it out, and it's been such a life-changing experience, as I'm sure most of you can imagine. I found my faith. I understand so much more about God, and I feel His presence more in my life, and I can finally say that I'm not a lukewarm Christian anymore, but
Yeah.
I'm actually a child. I'm a follower. I love my Father, and it's been so great. And honestly, I encourage you guys, whether this is your first, second, third, fourth year, to get to know this place, these people, this community as much as you can, because there's something about it that you just can't find in any other community in the world, any other community in this college town where sin is the way of life. Here, here, I don't even know how to put it, but we're living the best way we can. We're having the most fun we'll ever have, and it's true fun. It's not some kind of excuse we make or thing we put in front of us just to get through. We are actually enjoying the life God has given us. And so I encourage you guys to appreciate all the little small things and everything that God has given you. So thank you guys so much.
Alright guys, I don't know when we checked in last. It's 12:30. Oh my gosh, this is so bright. Oh, okay, that's better. 12:30. It's time to retire. We're going to bed. Ethan had a banger little talk around that fire to really inspire the boys and girls, which is awesome. I'm about to retire into the shelter here. I'll check in with you guys when I'm in the sleeping bag, and then we'll catch you guys tomorrow morning. Alright guys, in the shelter. It's pretty warm. Don't think I'll be cold tonight. Actually, I took off my jeans. They're lined with fleece. But I've got 2 sleeping bags, so I'm good. I'm gonna get some reading done in the good book, and then I'm out. So, I got my little candle going here. Oh, it's late, and I kind of have to pee. So, I should probably get that done now. Yeah, well, good night, guys. I'll see you tomorrow morning. Day 2 of the... Is this a challenge video? No. Day 2 of the corner camping trip vlog.
Hey guys.
That's all I've got. Look it up here. What's up, guys? We are on this camping trip. We are on an excursion, looking at wildlife. Hopefully gonna hit some mud puddles here pretty soon. Having a great time. This is Miranda. She's loving it.
Yes.
Yeah, really hitting it up. This is our friend Ty.
There he is.
Hi guys.
We're on the excursion. Keep you looped in.
Where's the lights? Flash your lights. He's probably chasing it.
There's a whole bunch of them.
There's kind of a lot of them. Oh, there they are. Dude.
Where are they?
Yeah, I see. They're kind of running.
Are they running still?
Yeah. Guys, these are horses here. So we took a break, a little detour from our excursion. We're now petting the horses. Might ride one, we'll see. Feeling like a cowgirl at the moment.
I'm not positive.
I think it's a trick.
Oh, he does like the grass. I don't think.
Don't bite my hand.
Oh, my goodness.
It's not. Yeah.
Oh, yes, it is.
So it's electric.
It is on.
I touched 2 of them. It is on? Yeah. Oh, look at this one. Oh, there you go. You're good now. I want to stay directed. Maybe we don't do that. Hey, pumpkins. You're just sniffing them a little bit there, sister. You like only the girls went out. I accidentally shocked the horse. That's really on. Fun fact: I was feeding the horse grass and it touched me, and I also touched the electric fence at the same time.
Did it hurt?
It's still going.
It stung me on my right side, but like it didn't feel good. Sophie, Ty's BFF. I'm about to go pet a cow.
Going for the one that's on the ground, maybe.
He looks like he's gonna bite me. He's staring at me too. I guess the girls, but. Move! What if I pet it? I just want to pet you.
Peace offering.
No. Look at the baby. The baby is so cute. Do you see the baby?
Yeah, there's a little one over
It's
there.
hiding right now. It's so cute, teeny tiny. I'm gonna go away. I'm gonna go away now. Nope.
Not for us. Alright guys, we've been off-roading for like 2 hours now. We made it to this beautiful pasture. in this watering hole for some cattle. We've got three big bulls right there and a cow. Back here we've got like 4 or 5 more bulls, then a bunch of cattle. And then up here we're looking at Kendrick's Mountain. It's beautiful terrain out here. We got the squad, we got the big truck, the Jeep, and the General ATV. Having a great time on this little midday camping trip adventure. Hey 44 Explorer family, thanks so much for tuning in to this 72-hour shelter building missions featuring our church friends from youth group. I hope you enjoyed this part 1 series. There's going to be more parts following, so make sure above to click any past playlists featuring Camp, Catch, Cook, or make sure to subscribe to the channel. I love you guys, God bless you, and have a great rest of your day.